Today, we're diving into the V-Color Skywalker Plus DDR4 64GB 32GB 3600MHz gaming desktop RAM. This high-performance memory kit is designed for gamers and enthusiasts who demand the best from their systems. With a total capacity of 64GB, this kit ensures you have more than enough memory for multitasking, gaming, and heavy-duty applications. The Skywalker Plus kit features two 32GB modules operating at a blazing 3600 MHz. With a CAS latency of 18, it strikes an excellent balance between speed and latency, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. These modules use DDR4 technology and are unbuffered DIMMs, making them suitable for most modern gaming desktops. One of the standout features of this RAM is the elaborately selected high-end copper alloy heatsink with a mirror reflection design. Not only does it look great in any build, but it also ensures optimal thermal performance, keeping your system cool even during intense gaming sessions. The IC quality is top-notch, using Hynix ICs that bring stable and immediate improvements to your system. Each overclocking IC has been selected under rigorous testing techniques with auto-sorting equipment designed by V-Color. This means you get fully overclocking-capable RAM with high tolerance and a wider range for overclocking. Installation is simple and straightforward. Just plug and play, then enable XMP in your BIOS to enjoy stable speeds at 3600 MHz. This ease of use makes it accessible for both novice and experienced builders. The RAM is also designed to be compatible with all major motherboards, ensuring low voltage consumption and stable performance across the board. Backed by V-Color's limited lifetime warranty, you can be confident in the durability and reliability of this RAM. It offers an excellent upgrade option for gaming enthusiasts looking for a reliable and performance-driven memory solution. In summary, the V-Color Skywalker Plus DDR4 64GB 3600 MHz RAM is an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their system's performance. With its high-speed operation, premium build quality, and ease of installation, it stands out as a top-tier RAM for gaming and multitasking. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or building a new rig, the Skywalker Plus RAM will provide the stable and fast performance you need to get the most out of your system. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.